Alright guys, so welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys are happy as hell right now because Bitcoin, and not just Bitcoin but altcoins, pretty much the entire cryptocurrency market is pumping right now, guys. You guys can clearly see Bitcoin right now just sitting at $27,000. Okay, $27,500. So you guys clearly see that it is in fact pumping quite a bit. And I must say, this pump was really unexpected. Okay, let's all just agree on that right now, guys, that this pump was literally unexpected. And by the way, guys, I am in fact filming this video literally almost 2 in the morning, right? So I should be sleeping right now, but no, guys, I've been getting so many notifications on my phone, okay, especially on Twitter. Everyone's just talking about this, right? Because like I said, this pump is literally unexpected, right? So Bitcoin is pumping right now and crypto is pumping right now. And of course, guys, in this video, I want to obviously talk about why is Bitcoin pumping so much right now? Why is the crypto market pumping so much? So before I get into all of that, guys, give this video a quick little thumbs up, and it takes a few seconds. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. I really would appreciate that as always, right? So let's begin with this video. So you guys clearly see right now Bitcoin is just sitting at 27,500, and we know, right, if we just go to the 1 hour time frame, we know Bitcoin has not really been moving. Okay, for the past few weeks, we have seen Bitcoin pretty much stuck at $26,000. Bitcoin was just simply consolidating, right? We didn't really see much momentum for Bitcoin, right? We actually saw it pump slightly all the way up to around $26,800, almost touching 27K, but that didn't quite happen, and then it just dropped back down to around 26.1, right? So at that level, we have been seeing Bitcoin stuck at that level. And, a lot of people were in fact saying, Bitcoin's going to drop further down to the downside, right? Bitcoin's going to drop, further down to like 24 to 23. And yes, guys, I told you guys that that was in fact possible. But no matter what, Bitcoin will eventually bounce back up. And I think what we are in fact seeing right now for Bitcoin with this pump is in fact the bounce back up, right? So you guys can clearly see. Okay, if we go to the 4 hour time frame, that's a bit better. You guys can just clearly see, right, ever since we had that drop for Bitcoin a couple of weeks ago, it's just been consolidating at 26K. And then now we are in fact seeing this massive pump happening for Bitcoin. So why is Bitcoin pumping? Why is the entire crypto market pumping? Well, let me just show you guys what is pumping. Pretty much everything, right? Literally everything, guys. Bitcoin is up 5.6%. Ethereum is up 5% as well. Yes, clearly see Ethereum is now back above $1,700, so that's always great to see for Ethereum. And BNB is pumping, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Solana, Polkadot, Polygon, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, Avalanche, Chainlink, you name it. Majority of altcoins right now for the past 24 hours are in fact pumping. You guys can just clearly see that, right? So right now, okay, it's looking pretty good for the crypto market. So overall, the market right now is up 4%, and you guys clearly see the global crypto market has jumped a lot, right? It's now sitting at 1.09 trillion. So that's always, great to see. So the market is moving, guys. Okay, and this is why. Okay, so crypto asset manager, okay, Grayscale wins lawsuit against the SEC. And this is why, guys, we are in fact seeing Bitcoin having this massive pump up, right? So yes, we saw Bitcoin hovering at $26,000, and then out of nowhere, this unexpected pump is happening for Bitcoin. So Grayscale, right? Grayscale is pretty much, they won the lawsuit with the SEC. So Celsius Grayscale wins its lawsuit against the SEC over converting its funds to a spot Bitcoin ETF, guys. And this is why we are in fact seeing Bitcoin having this unexpected pump, right? So it's looking pretty good, okay? And the crypto market is looking pretty good as well. And just to clarify here, guys, okay? And just remember, okay, the SEC have a lot of deadlines here coming up, right? For a lot of institutions, we know the biggest one is BlackRock. We know that, right? And I'm telling you guys right now, once BlackRock wins, right? Once not wins, but gets accepted. Okay, the SEC, accepts, this Bitcoin spot ETF and whatnot. Bitcoin's gonna pump. We know that, right? And of course, other institutions, Fidelity is in there, of course, Invesco, right? And many, many more institutions. You guys can clearly see that all these different companies. So you guys clearly see there's 6 SEC deadlines coming up. Okay, so the SEC will need a very strong case to deny them again. Bitcoin spot ETF seems like a matter of time, and that is very, very true, guys. And I told you guys many times, this next, Bitcoin bull run, right, and then this next, crypto bull market is going to be completely different compared to, these other bull markets that we have, in fact, been seeing. A lot of major institutions, the big guys, are in fact coming into, the crypto space and filing for Bitcoin spot ETFs, right? And once it gets all, approved, we're going to see trillions of dollars being poured into Bitcoin and, of course, just crypto in general, right? And that's why I've been telling you guys many times that the next crypto bull market is going to be massive. And that's why, guys, I really do. And you guys, if you guys have, in fact, been watching my videos, you guys know that my personal price prediction for Bitcoin in the next, bull market, I see Bitcoin reaching, up to 200K to 250 to maybe even $300,000 because trillions of dollars will, in fact, be poured in. Right, so just think about that, guys, and you guys can see these final deadlines are in fact going to be happening pretty much next year, right? Next year in pretty much March, right, of 2024. Those are going to be the deadlines. So understand, guys, 2024 and 2025 are going to be some massive years for Bitcoin and crypto. So I really want you guys to be excited for that, right? Be excited for that, guys. So yes, right, just like Altcoin Daily says here. BlackRock ETF gets approved, this happens, and we're going to see Bitcoin pump even more. Understand, guys, what's happening right now with Grayscale, right? We are in fact seeing Bitcoin pump. You guys clearly see that. As I'm from this video, Bitcoin right now is pumping, right? Oops. So understand, guys, even with Grayscale winning this case, right, this lawsuit against the SEC, and, Bitcoin's simply just pumping from this, and it's pumping pretty much almost $1,000. Pretty much $1,000, pretty much, right? In just a matter of like a few minutes. Like I think it's been like, it's been probably like 2 hours. You know what I mean? And this is a massive pump, guys, happening for Bitcoin right now. So please understand that. So imagine, right, BlackRock. Okay, BlackRock ETF gets approved. Bitcoin's gonna pump like massive. Please understand this, guys, and it is very, very true. I'm expecting Bitcoin to pump so hard next year in 2024. Because remember, there's going to be a lot of deadlines, especially in March, right? You guys can just clearly see that, okay? And BlackRock is in the list, and the deadline is going to be in March 15th, 2024. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to pump massively, guys, okay? So Gary right now, he's probably, I don't know what he's going through, okay? We saw, Ripple a couple of months ago, okay? Like not too long ago. They obviously won the case, the lawsuit against the SEC, and that's when we saw XRP absolutely pumping, and that was absolutely amazing. Positive news for Ripple, of course, right? And now Grayscale, right? So it's looking like Gary Gensler doesn't know what to do next, right? He doesn't know what the big move is, because obviously I feel like he's really against Bitcoin and crypto, you know what I mean? And has said that a lot of these altcoins and these crypto coins are in fact securities when they're really not, right? We all know that. So just think about that, guys. So Gary Gensler right now is probably just, I don't know what he's going through right now, but he's probably not happy, right? We know that. So the last thing I really want to show you guys is this, okay? So Bitcoin will be in the range between $24,000 to $50,000 until the halving. And yes, I totally agree. It will be in between this range. And I told you guys many times, right? Again, if you guys have, in fact, been watching my videos, I've been telling you guys that I do, in fact, see a 50K Bitcoin towards the end of this year in 2023. Okay, and a lot of people out there, okay, and I'm not saying this, but a fair few people out there, okay, are in fact saying this on social media about Bitcoin, saying that we might actually see Bitcoin reach, back up to its previous all-time highs even before the halving, right? So just think about that. So massive pumps will potentially be coming for Bitcoin, guys. Okay, remember, all these deadlines are in fact coming, next year in 2024. So understand, right, some pumps will in fact be happening for Bitcoin and crypto. That's just my personal opinion, right? So that's that, guys. But yeah, Bitcoin right now is absolutely pumping. You guys can clearly see that right now it's currently at 27 27,700. So it's pumping even more, guys, and it's absolutely insane. Like, my phone was literally blowing up, and I just had to come on here and just make a video. In fact, guys, I'm actually gonna go live once you're watching this video right now. So come on the live and join it, and I will be talking more about this pump for Bitcoin, because this is some very, very exciting news. Okay, very exciting news. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. I really would appreciate that as always, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.